We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this Brother MFC-L2710 printer. The problem we've been having is whenever we're making copies or scans, we've been getting lines and blemishes on our pages. And that's going to indicate there's something dirty on the scanner glass. So we're going to show you how to go ahead and clean that today. It's a very simple process. First thing I recommend doing is opening up the top of the scanner. And you'll actually notice there's two separate pieces of glass. You have your large flatbed scanner on this big piece of glass here where you do all your face down copies. And there's a small strip of glass here on the left side of the printer. And that's for actually whenever you're using this top document feeder. And that's going to be doing all this copying and scanning from this small strip of glass on the left side of the printer. So that's just a good troubleshooting tip, just so you can figure out what piece of glass you really need to focus most of your cleaning on and where that blemish is located, just to make it a little bit easier to find. Now, other than that, once you kind of get an idea of where that blemish is, in order to clean it, we're going to need a lint-free rag, your favorite glass cleaner. If you don't have a glass cleaner or have anything available like a glass cleaner, you can use something like rubbing alcohol. It'll work. Glass cleaner is definitely preferred though. The other biggest tip I can give you is to please always apply your cleaner directly to your cloth and never to the glass on the printer itself. If you apply the cleaner directly to the glass, there's a good chance that it can seep underneath the glass and you can cause a lot more problems than you started with. So please always apply the cleaner directly to your cloth, never the glass on the printer. After that, you're just going to wipe the glass down, making sure that you get rid of all of those little blemishes, any dust, dirt, debris, ink, whiteout, tape, things like that. So you're just going to give it a good wipe down until you're happy with the way everything looks. Okay. Give it a good visual inspection. Make sure you don't see anything still visible on the glass. Once you're happy with the way everything looks, I would recommend doing a couple test copies and test scans. And just to be safe, I would go ahead and do them from both the top document feeder and from doing the face down copies on the flatbed scanner, just to make sure that you're happy with the results. That way you don't have to go back and do it again. Like I said, it's a very simple process. Anybody can do it. If you have any other questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to Onyx and we try to help you out with those. Other than that, I hope you have a great day and you're back up and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.